Introducing the Vehicle-Mounted Fogger Machine. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside the boxes, you'll find the Vehicle-Mounted Fogger Machine and the diesel tank. Here's a closer look at the Vehicle-Mounted Fogger. It comes with two separate fuel tanks, each with a 7.5-liter capacity, totaling 15 liters. This is the solution tank with a 150-liter capacity. To connect the diesel tank to the machine, first disconnect the fuel and air supply connector pipes. Pull the lock on the fuel supply connector and remove the air pipe. At the starting point, there is a lever to turn the system on or off. Reconnect the fuel supply pipe as shown in the video. Now attach the air supply pipe. Once both are connected, double-check they are secure. The machine is fully automatic and comes with a toolbox. Inside the toolbox, you'll find a remote control, a vehicle battery connector cable, cleaning tools, and a small toolkit. The small toolkit includes a screwdriver, ejection knobs, and essential wear and tear parts. Let's connect the battery cable. Do this carefully and as shown in the video. Then, lock it securely. Next, connect the remote control. When it's connected properly, a red light will turn on. Now press both knocking buttons 3 times. To start the left nozzle, press and hold the right start button. To start the right nozzle, press the left start button. To begin fogging, push the solution button up for the left nozzle. Wait a few seconds, then activate the right nozzle. You can control fuel flow using the carburetor knob. Turn it counterclockwise to open, clockwise to close. You can control the diesel consumption using the knob. Turn it counterclockwise to increase flow, open, and clockwise to decrease flow, close. To operate the machine, you'll need petrol, diesel, and Arbuda DELTAFOG, Deltamethrin 1.25% ULV. Pour at least 5 liters of petrol into each fuel tank using a filter funnel. Next, pour at least 30 liters of diesel into the solution tank. Then add Arbuda DELTAFOG. For every liter of diesel, add 5 milliliters of DELTAFOG. For 30 liters, add 150 milliliters. Secure the DELTAFOG bottle and close the solution tank cap tightly. Let's start the machine and see the fogging in action. To stop, first turn off the solution buttons one by one. Wait a moment, then press the stop button. Finally, release pressure from the solution tank by slightly opening the cap. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and follow all operating guidelines.